The do's and don'ts of decorating your RV for the holidays. Deck the halls with boughs of holly and get ready to jingle around the country because the holiday season doesn't pause for the nomadic at heart. Transforming your RV into a jolly home on wheels isn't just about stringing lights and hanging stockings with care. It's about creating a cozy, festive haven that travels with you. So, whether you're parked under the snowy pines or beside the sandy beaches, these do's and don'ts will ensure your holiday decor is as mobile and merry as you are. Do's. The merry musts. 1. Do embrace LED lights. LED lights are your best friends when it comes to holiday RV decorating. Not only do they consume less power, perfect for boondocking under the stars, they also come in a variety of colors and styles. Wrap them around your awning, line your windows, or create a twinkling outline of your RV. Just remember to choose battery-operated or solar-powered options to keep your energy usage in check. 2. Do opt for compact, unbreakable ornaments. Space is at a premium, and the road can be bumpy. Opt for compact decorations that pack a festive punch without taking up too much space. Think unbreakable ornaments, fabric wall hangings, and magnetic holiday-themed decals for the fridge. They add a pop of holiday cheer without the risk of breakage or the need for extensive storage. 3. Do use natural decor. Bring the outside in by decorating with natural elements. Pine cones, holly branches, and evergreen garlands not only look beautiful and smell fantastic, but they're also biodegradable. After the holidays, you can return them to nature without guilt. Just be mindful of local regulations regarding foraging if you're in a state or national park. 4. Do go digital with holiday cards in an RV. Every inch of space counts, so instead of displaying a forest of paper holiday cards, go digital. Create a festive digital photo frame slideshow of all the holiday cards and messages you receive. It's a heartwarming way to keep loved ones close, without cluttering your limited counter space. 5. Do create a portable holiday playlist. Music is a powerful mood setter, so compile a holiday playlist that brings the spirit of the season into your RV. Whether it's classic carols, jazzy holiday tunes, or rocking festive hits, let music fill your home on wheels with holiday cheer. Don'ts. The holiday hazards. 1. Don't overload your RV's electrical system. While it's tempting to turn your RV into a beacon of holiday spirit visible from space, be mindful of your vehicle's electrical limitations. Overloading circuits can lead to blown fuses or, worse, fire hazards. Always check the power requirements of your decorations and err on the side of caution. 2. Don't use real candles. The flicker of candlelight is synonymous with holiday ambiance, but in the confined, often flammable interior of an RV, real candles are a no-go. Opt for LED candles instead. They offer the same warm glow without the fire risk, perfect for a cozy holiday evening. 3. Don't ignore local decor guidelines when you're parked in a campground or RV park. Be sure to respect the community's rules regarding outdoor decorations. Some places have restrictions on light brightness, noise, for those musical lights, and even decor placement. Keeping in good spirits with your neighbors ensures a merry holiday for everyone. 4. Don't let decorations block emergency exits. In the event of an emergency, you'll need clear access to exits. Ensure your holiday decor doesn't obstruct windows, doors, or fire escapes. Safety should always be the top priority, even in the most festive of times. 5. Don't forget to secure decorations for travel. What looks fabulous parked can turn into a chaotic mess after a few miles on the road. Secure all decorations, especially those outside your RV, to withstand the rigors of travel. Nobody wants to be the Grinch who littered holiday cheer all over the highway. Bonus tips. Spreading the joy. Host a small holiday gathering if space allows. Hosting a small holiday gathering for fellow RVers or campground neighbors can be a wonderful way to spread holiday cheer. A potluck dinner, a cookie exchange, or a simple hot cocoa night by the campfire can foster a sense of community and make your holiday season even more memorable. Participate in a campground decoration contest. Many campgrounds host holiday decoration contests. Participating can be a fun way to show off your creative flair and get into the competitive spirit of the season. Just remember to stick to the do's and don'ts to keep your festive fun safe and sensible. Your Home on Wheels Holiday Haven. Decorating your RV for the holidays is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a warm, inviting space that reflects the joy of the season, no matter where you're parked. By following these do's and don'ts, you can transform your RV into a festive, mobile haven, brimming with holiday spirit and ready for whatever adventures lie ahead. So go ahead, string up those lights, press play on your holiday playlist, and settle in with a cup of cheer. The holidays are about to get a whole lot merrier on the open road. Happy decorating, and even happier travels.